Food is something that everyone can relate to. It's a great way of expressing your own voice and culture. Here at Awash Ethiopian Cuisine, the owners are doing just that. The restaurant's owner, Abraham Jato, and his son, Aba Dinka, share their unique culture and cuisine.
When people come in and eat, they remember their hometown and they come back and eat. In Ethiopia, food time is a social time too. People gather together and eat from the same plate. When I cook and then people eat, enjoy that food, that's my pleasure.
Eating Ethiopian food is not just about the eating. It's more about the enjoyment with others and the experience of it all. Being able to share it with your family, friends, and people that you just meet. The way Ethiopian culture is, it's very close. It's a very close culture, so this is our way of keeping us together in a time where everyone's very separate right now. It's one way to just bring people together. Yeah, I mean, I would definitely say that this would be one of the best experiences you will have in cuisine around Lancaster. You get a lot of flavors, a lot of enjoyment coming out of the meal, and it's definitely just a place you should try.
Kelly Bahada is a regular customer at Awash Ethiopian Cuisine.
I love the food here, just in terms of being able to have a place that has Ethiopian food is really great in the local area, and that's why every time I come here I love it. I would encourage someone to come here, try out the food, and just as a new experience and see what you end up liking.
The owners of Awash Ethiopian Cuisine express their voices by providing Lancaster residents with an authentic experience through sharing not only their food, but also the culture they cherish. For Hempfield Happenings, I'm Ryan French.